Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to add products to your WooCommerce store? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add both simple products and variable products like sizes or colors for free. First, for a simple product, go to Products, Add New. Give it a title and description. In the Product Data drop-down, make sure Simple Product is selected. Enter the price, inventory SKU, and shipping details. Add your product images and publish it. That's it. Now, for a variable product like a t-shirt in multiple sizes, start the same way. But in the Product Data drop-down, select Variable Product. Go to the Attributes tab. Add a new attribute like size. Enter the values: small, medium, large. Check Used for variations and save. Next, go to the Variations tab. Click Go to generate all combinations. Now, you can set a different price, SKU, or image for each specific size variation. Fill in the details for each variation and publish your product. And that's it. You can now sell both single option and multi-option products in your store. If you add a variable product, let me know what the options are in the comments. See you in the next one.